What's up, YouTube? Today is Wednesday, September 23rd. It's fairly early still, 7:19, 9:19, I believe, market time. And I'm gonna make a quick video of what happened today. Today was very unusual because of I don't I'll tell you guys why. Um, let's just start with Facebook here on the daily. So Facebook, um, it's been downtrending for the past couple of weeks, and it found some sort of support here at these levels. And 2 days ago, Monday, we gapped down, held this level here, and then yesterday it washed down and it got bought up. So today didn't really gap up. It just opened right at that at the 20 EMA on the daily, but I was very long biased for some reason because of the fact that it held and there was a chance for price to go at least to 262 from 255 to 262 easily. Um, but it looks like it's not doing it just yet. So that's what that was the plan. That was the big picture on this. If we If we move to the 15-minute, what I saw was, let me see, I don't know, I know you guys know that I trade my main, um, I trade patterns like triangles, wedges. I do not trade channels. I don't trade this here. Why? Because I think what I was doing something wrong. What I was doing, what I was let's say price was here. The I was trying to short an uptrend channel, and I got my butt handed to me uh, many times, and so like I just stopped. I stopped trading instead of you know turning around um, and going long instead, right? Because I mean this is a bullish pattern here. It's slowly trending up, slowly trending up. Anyway, so this morning when I saw this, I was trying to look for a wedge. There's no wedge here. There's absolutely no wedge. But um, what I just showed you guys on the daily, the daily is very bullish. Um, and if I see potential to the upside, I know I'm not the only one that could see that same. So with that said, I was looking for a pattern to play the breakout. I didn't see anything, right? And if I don't see, one of my rules is that if I don't have any wedges to base my trading off of that, I what I do is I wait for this 15-minute levels here, um, and I wait for price to hit these levels, right? And but I mean, if we open at 255 for price to go to 261, I mean that's 6 points, 5 points. It's gonna be hard. And to the downside, same thing, right? And it's mainly consolidating here. So what I said, okay, well, I'm gonna wait for this price for this levels to hit. If they don't hit, I'm gonna wait and see what happens, right? I had a plan, right? I did have a plan, but it wasn't like a plan set in stone. One thing that I did see and that I do know is that I use on the 15 minute I use the 200 here, 200 I don't know if it's the EMA or SMA, EMA, and I use a 20, and I know that the 200, man, like on the 15 minute, if you guys want to try it, it respects this moving average a lot. And so having enough uh, ascending channel and price holding this level, and if price I said if price comes down to this level and it starts holding it, I wasn't, like I said, I was looking for a long down here. This is the inverted chart. As you guys can see, I had my levels here, and I was willing to go long down on these levels here, which is here. But I said, you know, I I didn't even put a line here, as you guys can see. Like I put this line after it started holding. So I said, if it comes down and it starts holding um, the channel and it starts holding the 200, I'm gonna take a stab. I'm gonna go long here and buy some calls. That's exactly what I did. I bought some calls here. I bought some calls, and then I just sold them on this put. Actually, I entered twice, I believe. No, 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 no. I'm lying. Um, I went long, and then on this push, I sold like this. This was my trade here, and then it came down. I didn't want to. I don't like when to buy on the second test, retest, because more often than not, I buy here, I sell, and then it comes, and I buy again, and then it breaks on me, and then I'm stuck. So what I did, I took my trade, and I'm like, okay, well, it's under BWAP. I want to see what happens, and then when this happened here, these two candles with volume, the first thing that came to my mind, go long, right? Answered chase. Did not chase. I know better than that. So what I did is I waited for this red candle here. By at this point we're approaching the highs here. Like I said, my goal, my plan was not, I made the same mistake many times before. So I know better than, I mean, this time it worked, right? It hit the highs here, the pre-market highs, and it couldn't go higher, and then it came down, and I mean, this could have been a good short, but like I said, I'm not. First of all, it's not. We're not even at the highs, like at the top of the channel, and second, it's too bullish. I don't want to risk, because I don't want to risk I don't want to risk shorting too soon, and then have price go and then have a shitty average. So I was confident on I was patient on allowing price to hit these levels for me to even think about shorting. Just because of the bigger picture. Didn't I don't know. Like I don't see this as a short. Anyway, so price pushed up. So this kind of confirmed to me, volume increasing, kind of confirmed that he wants to keep pushing. So at this when he pushed down here on this red candle here, I actually went long. I was waiting for a dip, not the dip that I wanted, but I went long here, and then he pushed up, and then he pushed up, and it was just too much. Uh, I know it's only 3 minutes, but for me, it's just too much to hold. If it's gonna go, it's going to go. So in this push, I sold for a small profit, and obviously, I mean, this had I just waited a little longer, but um, after that, it pushed down again, and I went long, find a dip again, and then sold on this push, and then on this, this is what I'm talking about. Like I don't like to do um, to buy or short in this at the same level, because this is usually what happens. So when it pushed down again, I went long right here, you know, little FOMO here, and then I added here, and this thing was not, it was trying to go up, but it couldn't, and then it pushed down, and I'm like, oh shit, okay, so I'm gonna wait. So I had one entry here. I added on VWAP. I really thought, little push, and I'm out. Couldn't do it. Pushed down. This was my last ad here, red to green here. So I added, and then on this push, I got out for some profits, and after that, that was it. That was my day. But I'm very bullish. I was very bullish, and I'm pretty sure this thing is gonna keep pushing. As you guys can see, I could have there was a few more trades here, and they're still within my time. But you know what? This is a pattern. Like I said, I don't really trade this pattern, and so I don't want to push my luck. Um, I'm okay with taking a few trades, and I just ask myself, if I'm okay keep trading, then I'll take another one or two trades. But at this point, I was like, I'm done. Like that's it. And then my buying power was I'm not confident. I'm not, once my buying power it dips below um 5K, like I'm okay. Like I don't want to trade anymore. So yeah, that was my trade. A few trades here, and that's it, man. Hope you guys learned something later.